Oh my goodness. It's soft, it's spongy. It smells like caramel creamy goodness. What is up guys? Welcome back to another episode of Mike's Gourmet Kitchen. And today we are preparing one of the easiest desserts, quickest prep time, and it will probably take you about 20 minutes to make. Leave it in the fridge for a few hours. And that dessert is the delicious Peppermint Crisp Tart. It's home in South Africa, one of our very popular. All the aunties here make it. Everyone that you know probably makes Peppermint Crisp Tart. It's absolutely delicious. So it's going to be very easy to make. We're going to be using tennis biscuits or any type of soft biscuit that you have. I don't know which country you're watching from. About 1 liter of fresh cream and about 400 grams of caramel. Then for the mint crisp, you can use any chocolate basically that contains any mint or something. If not, look for a South African shop close to you and just buy some peppermint. Alright, with that being said, let's get cooking. Okay, first up, let's grab our mixing bowl. The size of the pan we're going to be using is about a 4 liter Pyrex bowl. It's ideal for using in the fridge. Let's go ahead and crush up some of these delicious tennis biscuits. Okay, there we go, all done. Let's move on to preparing our cream and caramel mixture. Okay, grab a large mixing bowl, 500 ml of cream, give it a good shake. Wonderful. The other cream I'm going to open, but I'm not going to pour all of it in. Only about half. The rest will pour in once we check the consistency. Now, next part, our delicious caramel treat, our dairy dessert. Perfect, what a process. Okay, let's start mixing this in. Go nice and slow, get this all dissolved up. We're going to whisk this quite a bit for about 10 minutes till it's nice, thick and creamy. Okay, there we go. Nice and thick. Let's have a look here. Nice consistency. You could make it a bit thicker if you want. I prefer it like this. I'm going to keep it in the fridge overnight anyway. So then grab our Pyrex bowl. And that we'll start off with is taking our crumb biscuits and putting a nice bed of biscuit down at the bottom. Let's grab our mixture and start adding it to the biscuits. And now for this part, I'm not using crushed biscuits. We're just going to take whole biscuits and layer them down nicely. Oh geez. See, the nice thing about this is it's not an exact science, so there's actually no real way of actually doing it wrong. There we go. Some of these biscuits are broken. They're very soft, very brittle. Let's add the rest of our crumb biscuits around the sides. And now some more of our filling and then one more layer of biscuits. Great. And now for the last bit of filling. Okay, moving on to the last part before it goes into the fridge for overnight. As you can see, it has a nice thick consistency to it. So this is what we're going to be using. Some delicious mint crisp. There used to be a chocolate on the market called Aero, but I couldn't find it at our supermarket. So this is just as good. It's normal Cadbury Dairy Milk chocolate with some peppermint shards inside. And there we go, chocolate's all in. Okay, perfect. So this is going to the fridge now overnight. We'll probably have it tomorrow afternoon. We'll leave it in there for about 20 hours or so. Get it nice and settled in, get the biscuits. They'll stay nice and firm, but everything will become saturated, nice thick consistency. So we added all the chocolate, everything, throw it in the fridge for 20 hours, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, as you can see, I lied. The proof was in the pudding. We already ate half of the tart. I don't feel bad at all, and it was absolutely amazing. So as you can see, it turned out absolutely beautiful. Nice layers of cream, caramel, biscuits and chocolate. And with that being said, let's give it a taste. Okay, here we go. I am in my pajamas already. It's late at night. Let's grab a bite. Oh my goodness. It's soft, it's spongy. It smells like caramel creamy goodness. You can smell the chocolate and the mint. Let's give it a bite. That is so good. Not too sweet, not overbearing. It really tastes amazing. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to drop a like down below, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.